AQA Level 2 Sample Paper Calculator Section Question 10a. So this is a question about this playground. Levi works for a company that designs and builds playgrounds. Here is a sketch of the plan for a new playground. This word sketch means it hasn't been drawn accurately. A sketch is a rough picture. So we can't trust this to be accurate. We can't use measuring to get our answer. Work out the area of the playground. That's what we're being asked to do. So what we have here is what's called a compound shape, a complicated shape made up of several other little shapes. So what you want to do in a question like this is to chop up the big shape into little shapes that you know how to work out the area of. And there's several different ways you could slice this up, but the one that seems easiest to me is to chop these two top bits off. So I'm left with a triangle, a small rectangle and a big rectangle. So I'm going to work out the area of each of these shapes individually, and then I'm going to add those three together. Let's start with the triangle. That's perhaps slightly harder. We need to remember that the area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. So our base, this is 7 long. We're told that here, with 5 high. So this is a half times 7 times 5. 7 5s are 35. Half of 35, 17.5. If you're struggling to do that in your head, it's a calculator paper. Don't be scared to use your calculator. Area of this rectangle, rectangles is just width times length, so that's 35. Area of this rectangle, 20 times 11. This 16 is the height all the way up to here. We don't want to be using that. We want the 11. So we've got 11 times 20, and that gives us an answer of 220. So that's our 3 areas individually. For our total area, we just need to add them up. So 17.5 plus 35 plus 220, and that gives me an answer of 272.5 meters squared. Meters squared, that's going to be an M because we're working in areas and our lengths are all in meters. And that's all there is to that one.